Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. Today's headlines. South Korean automaker Hyundai launched its Ioniq 5 mid-size crossover, the first in a planned family of electric vehicles that it hopes will propel it into the third rank of global EV makers by 2025. A woman was arrested for beating up her elderly mother-in-law in Karachi's upscale Clifton neighborhood. Spotify officially launched in Pakistan, available for Rs 299 per month. The world's most popular audio streaming service, Spotify, is now available for listeners in Pakistan. A fisherman in Indonesia was left baffled when he came across a mutant baby shark with a human face. Man fakes his kidnapping to skip work. A man gave a shocking excuse to skip work after he faked his kidnapping. However, his stunt did not last long as the police arrested him under false reporting charges. Exports of cement from the country witnessed a decrease of 3.80% during the 7 months of financial year 2022-21 as compared to the corresponding period of the last fiscal year. Faisalabad Electric Supply Company will organize online open court at its second circle here on Thursday. This is the end of today's news. Take care and keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.